I'm Rasesh Shah, Chief Information Officer at Fractal. Fractal was founded in the year 2000 and I have played different roles over my 12 years tenure at Fractal. Our vision is to build the world's most valuable AI company that powers every decision in the enterprise.
When we speak about AI, it's of course the most common terminology that has been used across the industry. We have already pioneered the space and are well ahead of the curve, wherein we cater to all Fortune 50, 100 and 500 companies, helping and embark them on the journey of AI, of incubating AI in their organization. Given the industry that we are in, we have to be ahead of the curve in terms of technology adoption, ensure that we have the best of the security and scalability. These are the three main elements of where we found. So whenever we set up an office, when we set up our internal infrastructure and expand on the cloud, these three elements is something around the scalability, security and having the best of the infrastructure comes in, because otherwise then we are not as effective as it should have been. That's what it is about Fractal and the role that I play. Selection of a vendor, of an OEM in first place, even before choosing the vendor, choosing the right OEM plays or is something which is very, very crucial, right? You can, if you look at it from an overall offering perspective, if you just look at the data sheet, there is no product which is less than product B, right? There will be always some give and take, and that's actually the fact is. So I would not say that one product is good, the other product is bad. It all depends on the requirement and the feature needs that you would have. You should be clear in your mind, that's one. So been in the industry for last 20 years, so I've literally worked with all the OEMs, and of course fortunate enough to know what's their probably flaws or plus on the pros and cons and so on and so forth. So knowing all of that, Aruba, given the requirement of Fractal, given the roadmap ahead, given the in production features that would come up in near future, given the current products that they stand and the performance that has been guaranteed, Aruba became the factor choice, wherein we saw them ahead of the curve in terms of technology. We saw their products in action. That was the most important things, right? Otherwise, it's a pure sales pitch which people generally, or it depends on basically. I don't choose or go with the sales pitch part unless and until I don't feel the product I don't experience the product myself, right? And so I went ahead. I went to multiple sites where it had been installed. Checked out scenarios in different ways in which it was been deployed and the problem that it's been solving. And more important part was, I love my team. I want them to administer something which makes their life easy and not complicated, right? And these were the main parameters basis which I chose Aruba over the other competing products. They were great, but of course Aruba had a slightly an edge. As an edge over the other products. So that's where Aruba was chosen as opposed to the other products. We chose AeroWire very carefully after evaluating, and these are the following reasons. When we met their team, right, it wasn't a typical organization, right? It was pretty young, dynamic, and the most important part which I personally loved, they were hands-on. Right? They were not the kind of guys which were bookish in nature, wherein they just talk what is written on the data sheet. They're actually, we could easily sense from the way they were explaining the detailing part around it of the feature list that they've actually implemented in various scenarios.
Many users, like half of the office was getting disconnected and we were not able to trace the issue. And 2 or 3 people had come online and 5 minutes, done, resolved. Coordination and planning, and if you say on the spot issue resolution time, it was like perfectly great. Really liked it.
This is, of course, I would say is the USP, because they had actually formed a lab in their office, right? Wherein even though the technical interviews that they conduct for the folks that they hire, they make them go through a live test and break things and then ask them to fix it. I found that very unique. I've been to various vendors' office, and of course I've seen their labs and all, and so on and so forth. This is why each individual that I interacted with in the team was so specific in knowing their stuff. Honestly, I was amazed with that.
We have designed network, we have configured it, we have implemented it, and the outcome was phenomenal. Since day one, the network was seamless.
Our expectations from this project was to enable our offices to be Wi-Fi first, secure, scalable and seamless. We knew that this was a complex project. However, what surprised all of us was that everything worked seamlessly on the first day of our move-in, which was phenomenal. Thank you to the AeroWire team for making this possible.